Breaking news coming in this hour, the Supreme Court has extended the execution of Nithari killer till October 29. The Apex Court will hear a review plea against Surinder Kohli's execution. The next hearing has been scheduled for the 28th of October. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Jaskirat Singh Bawa, who's with us on the phone line from outside the Supreme Court. Jaskirat, it seems that Surinder Kohli has been given another breather. Any observations made by the Supreme Court?
Well, the only observation made by the Supreme Court is seeking a response from his advocates that they should give their pointers in 5 different bullet points as to why his review petition should be considered, as to why he should in fact not be executed. Now, this is the first time that under the new procedure set by the Supreme Court that a death penalties review petition is being considered. If you remember, just about 2 weeks ago, the Supreme Court had held that going further, all review petitions against death penalty will be heard by 3 judges in an open court, with their lawyers being given at least half an hour of oral arguments. And this is to put a proper check and balance in place before they go ahead with confirming the death sentence of anyone. So Surinder Kohli turned out to be the first one to take advantage of that new procedure, and today was the first hearing. But the counsels were given more time to come back with a cohesive and comprehensive response, and that will be now happening at the end of the October. And till that time, at least, Surinder Kohli's execution has been stayed.
All right, Supreme Court once again staying Surinder Kohli's execution. The case likely to be heard on the 28th of this month. Jaskirat, thanks so much for that update.